Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your vintage 90s Timex Moonphase quartz watch. So as you can see, we have the Moonphase complication here at 12 o'clock. This is going to be a 24-hour Moonphase, meaning it is going to make a full rotation every 24 hours. And here we have the date complication. For this particular model, we cannot use the crown in order to quick set the date, and we will have to go between 9 and 12 o'clock, so before 9 o'clock and after 12 o'clock, in order to go one day at a time. So what we want to do is to pull the crown to the last position, and as you can see, we have the moon right here, meaning we are closing to midnight, and this means that when I go past 12 o'clock, the date is going to change. So let's say I want to make it the 10th of the month. I'm going to go before 9 o'clock, so I'm going to go backwards, and then I'm going to go forward past 12 o'clock. The date is going to change to the 6th, so you need to make this every time in order to go one day forward. It is going to be harder in case you want to make it, let's say, the 30th of the month, but after that it should be quite easy in order to keep up with the date. As you can see, now we have arrived on the 10th, and since it just changed, this means that it is now midnight. So if I were to make it now 4, it would be 4 in the morning, so 4 a.m. In case I want to make it p.m., I'm going to go past 12 o'clock. As you can see, the sun is coming here on the moon phase, and you can see that now I go past 12 o'clock, I am still on the 10th, and now I can make it 4 p.m. So 4 in the afternoon. As you can see, the sun is still here, and it is going to pass as I keep on going and closing to 12 at midnight. In order to end the process, we are going to push the crown all the way back in, and we are done. As you can see, the watch is ticking, and this is how you set the time and date on your vintage 90s Timex Moonphase quartz watch. In case you want to watch other guides and tutorials about watches, vintage watches, make sure to be subscribed. Also, if you found value from this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if you found this video useful. And if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this vintage Timex Moonphase watch. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.